It's been a while. It's been a long time. Where are we heading?
We are going to the
Start of vlog number this one right now. The baby Godzilla. This is Godzuki. Alright, so we finally made it to the bird park. About to enter now. Go see what's happening on the inside. That's Kelly already so excited to see the birds. See she flapping like a bird already. You scared of birds? You like birds?
As long as they don't attack me, yes.
You barely made it. Barely taller. I'm just chilling. You know, these tree ducks just chilling all on one leg.
Out of the feeding trough.
Yeah?
See this guy, he's swimming now. Watch. See, he's trying to get in.
Iguana. So just chilling, eating the food, and then come back out. Whoop, whoop, lover's squirrel. Where are we again?
We're here.
Pelican Cove, and we want to get to... Alright, so there's supposed to be a show here. Gonna go check out the show and see some birds in action.
But please remain seated. The young lady in white. Young lady in white, please remain seated. Thank you. Wow, very silent flight indeed. I bet none of you heard the owls fly low above you, am I right? This is because unlike other birds of prey, owls have very soft edges at the tip of their feathers. So, low above your heads, making a turn, going for the snake, and it's got it! Let's give a big hand, everyone! Sea eagles have very skinny necks which help them to prevent injuries caused by their prey, and a rough undersides which help them to hold on to their slippery and struggling prey. Can I get this? No? So I have to do an exchange to get my snake back. 15 kilograms and have an impressive 3.2 meters wingspan. Look at his wingspan, everyone. Do you want to see it one more time? Yes, alright, one more time, buddy. Let's show off. Oh, look at that. He's showing off. Vultures are generally scavengers. They do not hunt. So whenever they chance upon a carcass, they eat as much and as quick as possible because they do not know when their next meal. They have a very powerful suction system which allows them to swallow their food very quickly. Alright, George, you have done well.
No, I'm bringing home a baby bumblebee.
So the sound, this guy is a descendant of the dinosaur. And there he is in the back. Pretty intimidating looking bird. I know I wouldn't be standing up in a cage where he. Look at he look. Check it, babe.
It's so pretty. Look at those colors.
Yeah, pretty to look at from behind this fence. Can you imagine seeing one of them there like walking down here now?
No.
And apparently they're supposed to be pretty vicious to the point, not vicious, but they would attack you.
Well, they didn't call it the waterfall aviary. Aviary? Aviary? I don't know how to say it. For nothing. So beautiful.
Thank you so much. Oh, thank you. Whoa, hey. Go, we'll be begging for it. Aww.
Feeding some birdies.
He won't share with nobody else.
Recorded a little video there.
Huh?